Imagine one of the densest objects in the universe. A star so packed with matter that a single teaspoon of it would weigh more than 1 billion tons of Earth. Now, picture what would happen if someone or something got too close to this astronomical monster. What exactly are neutron stars? And what bizarre and terrifying things would happen if you fell into one? When a massive star reaches the end of its life, it doesn't just fizzle out. It goes out with a bang, a supernova explosion. But what is left behind? If the star was massive enough, its core collapses under its own gravity, crushing protons and electrons together to form neutrons. What you get is a neutron star, a city-sized object with a mass of about 1.4 times that of our Sun, packed into a sphere just 20 kilometers in diameter. It's like compressing the entire Mount Everest into the size of a marble. Neutron stars are like the universe's ultimate extremes. Extremely dense, extremely strong magnetic fields, and some of the fastest snipping objects known. But their strength goes further. Their incredible density, which means the gravity near a neutron star is about 2 billion times stronger than Earth's. What if you were to fall into a neutron star? Let's break it down step by step. As you approach a neutron star, you will first notice its insane gravity. Long before you even get close, the gravitational pull would start to stretch you out in a process called spaghettification. Imagine being pulled into a noodle shape because the gravity at your feet is stronger than at your head. Not fun, right? But that's just the beginning. Once you are close enough, the gravity becomes so intense that atoms themselves start to break down. The forces here are so extreme that the structure of matter as we know it cannot hold up. You would be torn apart at the atomic level, and any remains would be crushed into the neutron star surface at nearly the speed of light. But wait, there is more. The surface of a neutron star is incredibly hostile. It is covered in a solid crust of nuclei, but the pressure is so high that electrons are forced into protons, turning everything into neutrons. It's a place where quantum mechanics dominates, where the laws of physics as we know them are pushed to their limits. If you somehow manage to survive spaghettification and reach the surface, spoiler, you wouldn't. The intense gravity would crush you instantly. There is no surviving a neutron star. It's a one-way trip into oblivion, where even the laws of nature get twisted beyond recognition. So, what makes neutron stars so extreme? Let's dive into the science. The core of a neutron star is like a giant atomic nucleus, with neutrons packed so tightly that they resist further collapse thanks to something called neutron degeneracy pressure. It's a balance between the gravitational forces trying to crush the star and the quantum forces holding it up. But that's not all. Neutron stars also have some of the strongest magnetic fields in the universe, 1 billion times stronger than Earth's. These magnetic fields can accelerate particles to near light speeds, creating beams of radiation that we detect as pulsars. If you are near a neutron star, this radiation alone would be lethal. And let's not forget the spin. Some neutron stars rotate hundreds of times per second. Imagine an object more massive than the Sun spinning that fast. The rotational energy of these stars is immense, and they can even wrap space-time around them. In short, neutron stars are like cosmic laboratories where we can study the most extreme conditions imaginable. They push our understanding of physics to the limit and show us just how weird and wonderful the universe can be. So what do you think? Does the idea of falling into a neutron star make your head spin? The sheer extremity of these objects is what makes them so fascinating and a little terrifying. If you have enjoyed this deep dive into the strangest objects in the universe, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I love hearing from you all.